Hey guys, welcome back. Today we try to understand how we can reverse items within an array. There are various ways in which we can do this. We have seen the reverse method which has been used uh, in our previous video. Now, reversing an array is an operation of rearranging the items within the arrays in a reverse order. Now, there are various methods, as I said, which can be used to get this kind of output. Yeah. So when I'm saying reversed, can have this list of items available in an array, and you can see the all the items would be reversed. So the zeroth item would come to the ninth position here. The last ninth indexed item has come to the zeroth index here. So all the items have changed the position in a reverse order. Yeah. Now there are various methods in which you can reverse an array item or items within the array is first is using slicing operations. You can use reverse method that is being used for list. If you remember, then you have one more that is reversed method. So there is a reversed method as well. And lastly, you can use for loop using for loop. You can use for loop as well to reverse an entire array. Yes. So let's see one by one all these methods one by one. So let's start with using the slicing operations. Using slicing operations, so let me get the formatting. Yeah. Now, slicing operations is a process of extracting a part of array within the specified item. Now, we can slice operation in the form of the square brackets and negative indexing. Yeah. Now, what happens when I'm saying I'm putting the slicing like this, like the colon without any number, then again colon without any number, and then -1. What exactly happens is it will display a new array. What the process at the interpreter and happens is it starts at the end and keeps on jumping one item at a time till the beginning of the array. And while doing this, it copies the entire array. Yeah, in a reverse order. So let me show you with it, show you this with an example. So import. Then we have our array here. Okay, here we have array. Let me put my original array. I'm just trying to be a bit faster so that I can explain you the code. So I have this original array. Yeah. Then what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a reversed array, and we'll use this method to copy my array. Yeah. So I'll say my array, yeah, and then we'll print the reverse order. Correct. So what we are trying to do here is, this is my original array. I'm trying to loop through my original array one at a time, but from the end. So -1 negative indexing, if you see, if you refer my previous videos, so it will start from the last and it will keep on stepping one item at a time till it reaches the first item. And it will keep on copying each item in the reverse array. Yeah, and we'll get a new array. So let's see whether we are able to get our output. Here we can see our new output is in reverse order. Yeah, so this is how you can, so this is how you can reverse an array using the slicing operations. Now let's use the reverse method to do the same. So we'll copy this uh, just to have a consistent formatting over this entire document. So let's look into the reverse method. What reverse method does is uh, we can use this method uh, of list class. Now this is a list class method to reverse the array. But then to use this reverse method, we need to first convert this array to a list. Yeah. And we know the method to convert a particular array to a list is toList method, which is already available in array class. So we can use the reverse method, which is available for list class, but after converting a arrays to a list. So that's more important that we need to understand. So this is a workaround which we are using, but first converting an array to a list and again then storing it to an array. So this is my original array. Yeah, I'm converting it to a list here. We can see this, my list equals to array dot to list. Yeah, I am converting it to a list. Then I am using the reverse function of list to reverse the entire list. And then I am storing the list in a new array. Yeah, and we'll print that array. So let's see whether it gives us the same output. Yeah, so it has reversed the array. Again, just for your benefit, we are converting the list first. So array converted to list. Yeah, converted list is reversed. That is, all the items within the list are reversed. Yeah, and here we are again, list is converted to array. Yeah, using this array class from the array module. Yeah, so we have converted this list to an array and then we have printed it again. So this is how you can use reverse method from a list to reverse the entire contents within a array. You can also use reversed method. Now, reverse method is another way to reverse elements of an array. It accepts array as a parameter value and returns iterator object that displays array elements in reverse order. Yeah. So let us quickly understand it with an example. So I'll say import array, and then we'll have this original array. Yeah, and We have this reversed my array and we'll print the array. So let's see. Yeah, again it is reversed. So what we have done is we have printed our original array. Then using the reverse method, we have reversed the entire array that is available. And then we have printed the reversed array. That's it. Pretty simple and just 2 lines of code. Yeah. So we looked into 3 methods as of now: slicing method, the reverse method, and the reversed method, which could be directly applied on arrays. Yeah. Lastly, we'll check on the loop method using for loop. Yes. So using for loop to reverse an array, we first traverse the elements of the original array in reverse order and then append each element to a new array. So that's a way of approaching a situation. So we are first creating an make it bold. Okay. So we have this. Let's import. We have this array. Which is our previous array. Then what I'm trying to do is I have created an empty array. Yeah, which would keep the reverse ordered sequence. So for all I in the range of my array, so the length of my array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 1, it will start from the last and it will iterate one object step one at a time. Yeah, and it is storing this in the reverse array that we have created. Yeah, and we'll print the reverse array at the end of the loop. So what we are trying to do is we have created an empty arrays to store the output every time it is getting updated using this loop. But this is the point which you need to understand. What it is doing, it is first finding the length of the array. Yeah, length of the array, and it is, since it is start from the last, length of the array, it will always be -1 because it will give you 6, but index is always 0 to 5. So I have to make it 5. So -1. It has to start from the last. So it is -1. That's why from where to start and how much to step. So it is again one step at a time. It will take one element and it will keep on updating or appending into the reversed array. This is how a new reversed array would be created using a for. So let's run this. Yeah. So the new reversed array is created using the for loop. Yeah. So these are the 4 ways in which you can reverse the items within an array. And there's again various workarounds that we can use. Hope you liked this video. Hope you understood the concept. That's more important. Do share your comments. Do share your inputs through comments. Do share it across to your colleagues who want to share this video, or to your colleagues who want to learn Python. And would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel if you like to get such kind of informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.